What is the temperature, Shiva? It seems today it reached in Ooty 1 point. Oh, Wednesday, I thought today. Okay, Wednesday, which is almost a week back. It was frost. The botanical lake here, it was frozen, it seems. 1 degree. But we are used to 1 degree, Shiva. Last New Year also, we both were in Uttarakhand looking at each other's face on New Year Day. 31st night, everyone was celebrating in our houses. Me and Shiva were lost in Uttarakhand hills looking at each other's face. Some sharp is there for me. Shiva will get me to all the cold places in December 31st exactly. One irritating part is, see this? That's my phone right there. I'm trying to upload my video since last night. It's not happening. I think the network is very bad here. Network is fine. 4G download speed is also fine. Upload speed is literally 1 Mbps. Footage is almost like 24-25 minutes this time. And that is like almost 2-3 GB. And imagine if it was 4K. That is the reason we shouldn't vlog in 4K, especially when traveling. Actually, this is a good spot. This Vasto is working for it. Here, I'm able to get some speed at least. You see that? 9% done. 2 hours 20 minutes left. I think I'll just leave it here. We'll go have some breakfast, come back, and then decide what to do for the day. Shiva must have already have an itinerary in his head. Any itinerary?
We have to check.
Oh, we'll just go with the flow today also. What is this, people? I'm waiting from that time. Let's get out. See, Shiva is playing chess all the time. This fellow is watching some deleted Pushpa scene. Cinema, actual cinema I didn't see. He's seeing deleted scenes. What is this? Wasting my time. Hey, just fellow. All of us, like good boys, are wearing riding gear and going out. Though we are going to, I don't know, where are we going? Do we have any plan? Oh, it seems, I don't know. Charan is giving a lot of hype about Kunur. I don't know how it's gonna be. Shiva wants to go to
Outside of hotel.
He just wants to step out of the hotel. Hey, we stepped out a lot, bro, yesterday. But it's okay. I mean, we'll have to wear riding gear because safety is important. We have a lot of lessons. So we learned from that. It's better we wear light riding gear and go. Though it is not so comfortable wearing riding gear because it's too heavy and we can't click nice photos and all that. You see this? Lodam, big, huge. You can't get good photos. And we're bored clicking photos on this gear all the time. But we'll do one thing. We'll go there, we'll remove it. Easy. Atlundi.
But
it's too heavy.
No,
Actually this is heavy, right?
No, but wear,
Chinese is good.
but wear it and have the.
But then
best
there's
start.
not Gore-Tex. This is pure mesh. This is heavy.
It's lighter than
This
this.
is too heavy. This is okay. This is super light.
This is Gore-Tex Pro. That's Gore-Tex. That's No-Tex.
But safety is important. Let's wear all this and go. And also helmet, very important.
I somehow feel Shiva took one size less.
Shiva was one size less before coming to the ride. All of us actually. All faces are like puris now, like gulab jamuns. Lego, poem. Lower the దగ్గర ఏమన్నా అనండి ఇట్లా తగ్గదలే. Okay, warming up the engines. 14 degrees. Feels actually a little bit warmer than 14 degrees. Doesn't feel like 14. Shiva's bike is showing 15 degrees. Why is it? I have to do one small thing. Seat adjustment. On the highway, I flatten the seat. You see this gap over here? But when I have to ride, I can... But when you're in stop and go traffic, when you ride slowly, it's better I decrease the height. That's it. Just twist this and you're done. What am I, Charan? You need to get panniers. ఏంటి తాళ్ళు? What are all these wires? ఎన్నాళ్ళు ఈ కట్టడాలు? Which what? This is bag, camera and all that. So we are not going to Kunur. Finally we made up a plan. We are planning to go to Avalanche Lake, Ooty. It's around 27 kilometers, takes around 1 hour, and weather is amazing, very beautiful, 14 degrees, and you can see amazing fog in front of me. Is that fog or is that clouds? Let's hit it, people. Oh yes, last night we came through this route in an auto rickshaw. Yeah, first we walked through this route, and while coming back we came in an auto rickshaw. It was raining heavily. And auto was struggling so much to carry 250 kilos of bees. It was scary actually, and it was full of fog. Visibility was what? 1 meter? Even the auto rig driver, he was struggling to find his way. But I've never been to Ooty in this season, like December, May. I've been to Ooty like thrice now. I forgot about my engineering college tour. We came to Ooty, but that was in the bus. Later, second time I came on the bike on the Dark Horse. This is the third time. I think this will be my last time coming to Ooty. We'll explore more other places. By the way, it is 13 degrees right here. It shows that much, but once you go down into the Ooty city, it will be at least 4-5 degrees higher. వాటి ప్లేస్ లేదురా, వెళ్ళిపోవాలి నువ్వు కొంచెం ముందరికి వెళ్ళిపో, కాన్ఫిడెంట్గా దింపేసి. Wow. Pretty sure camera will not do justice to this. You have to be here. And it is 12 o'clock in the afternoon. Afternoon 12 o'clock, 13 degrees. Seriously, dude, I don't understand one thing. Why does it rain whenever I go anywhere on this planet? Rain God loves me so much. Wherever I go, he'll get the rain along with me. Look at this, it's raining December, May. I mean Jan 1st. It's raining like this. అసలు ప్రపంచంలో ఈ టైంలో వాన పడుతుందా ఎక్కడన్నా? ఊటీలో కాదు, నేను ఎక్కడుంటే అక్కడ పడుతుంది. సో ఫాగీ, డూడ్. Yeah, actually it gives you proper Sikkim vibes. Road edra, paika, right ka, left ka. Imagine if we wore normal clothes and came, we would freeze to death. Oh, beautiful, yaar, seriously. We kind of found a good location here. I mean, just check it out, yaar. So much of fog, and this is the scenery we wanted. Like long trees. What are these? Pine trees, huh? Pine trees, and we put the bike here. You see that fog over there? And just outstanding. Beautiful, yaar. This is the scenery we never got before. I mean, we got it, but we never stopped. We keep riding all the time. You take your bike and go. The bike looks so beautiful here. This is its territory actually. I'm just checking it out with this woods and background. And look at the adventure tourer. The king of adventure tourer. Looks insane. Pretty narrow roads. But that is a beauty. In such locations, you should have roads like this. I mean, look at it. And I'm really glad that rain has stopped, at least for now. I think they already harvested everything because everything looks dry as of now. And I think there is a tea factory upar. Tea factory lo tea తాగినా ఎప్పుడన్నా? ఏం బాగోదు. నేను మంచి టీ పెడతా ఇంకా ఇంట్లో. అరే ఇక్కడ వ్యూ పాయింట్ బాగుందిరా. అరే వ్యూ పాయింట్ సెక్సీ ఉందరా ఇక్కడ. తిప్పుదాం మళ్ళీ తెలియదు. ఇవాళ ఏం పీకే పని లేవు. తిప్పి ఇక్కడ శివ లెఫ్ట్. Yes, it is worth taking the U-turn because I mean check it out. అంటే not like Ladakh and all, not like Nainital, not took. We will compare, bro. Let's be honest. ఏంటి? We will compare. Why not? See, when you see in the best, you will obviously compare. That's human tendency. Nothing wrong in it. But yeah, we are enjoying with the bikes. Main thing is riding. But you'll get a nice scenery here. So, నాకేమనిపించింది తెలుసా? Difference between Nainital and all this is the height. This would be more deep. అంటే ఇది కనిపించదు అసలు, అంత కిందకు ఉంటుంది. Oh man, look at these greens. Look at these greens, bro.
Look at this.
Look at this. Now, no. So. Now, when you people are watching videos, it looks like this, okay? But in reality, actually, you're still seeing the video. See, all these things, they look nice on the videos, but when you come here and experience it, it's something different. Worth it. So this is the entry to what lake? Avalanche Lake. 100 rupees for 3 bikes. And that is a viewpoint. Avalanche Lake, sorry. No, but the ride is good. So, Uber say it looks nice, aerial view. But it is more for the ride. Nice location. Lovely. I don't know, we just got lost. We went there near the lake, but there's an entry gate. They're not allowing the bikes. They say park the bikes here and go in a parking lot. So we just took a diversion. Somewhere we got lost. And I wonder how they laid a road here. Why did they lay a road here? I don't know where is it going, but that's it. End, I think, here. That's it. I just hope there's no tigers and all here. Anyways, for now we are walking once again. We park the bikes at the hotel. We're going to this chocolate place. What is it called? Cocoa Pods. Cocoa Pod. No, Cocoa Pods. I'll go and show it to you. Definitely must try. We decided to go again today. Yesterday night we went there. I think 10 on 10 for that place. If you come to Ooty, 2000% you have to try the hot chocolate there. Also recording my workout. 31 minutes of walk done, 156 calories burnt. Good. which means we're all set to eat 400 calories. 150 we burnt, bro. We need to eat more than what we consume.
8 out of 10.
How is it?
8 out of 10.
Charan hyped this coffee a lot. It's a place called OCH.
Ooty Coffee House.
Ooty Coffee House. Does it live up to the hype? We literally walked 3-4 kilometers for this. Charan already seems disappointed.
8 out of 10 right?
8 is good. You should say 10 out of 10. I'll tell you, wait. 8 out of 10. The most interesting parking I've ever seen in India in all my life. Center. Like center of the road. And he got his punishment. Okay, this is the place. Cocoa Pods. Don't know where is this exactly location, all that. You can put it on Google. You'll get amazing chocolates also. And upar you have the cafe. Okay, this is hot chocolate with hazelnut and marshmallows. What are you having, Shiva? Not like this. No? You can still have this if you want. But definitely you should have this one. 10 on 10 easily. In fact, I would give it 11 on 10. Same button. Same jacket. So, he wanted to wear that shirt. He came to Ooty just to wear that shirt. That red shirt. పొద్దు నుంచి అదే షర్ట్ వేస్తాను కూర్చుండు. But you didn't click any pictures.
మీరు తీయలేనా?
అడగకుండా అమ్మ అన్నం కూడా పెట్టదంట. కరెక్ట్ నా సామెత? కరెక్టా? మనకు వచ్చు.
ఒట్టేసే మాట ఒట్టేకుండా మాట.
నువ్వే 9:30కి వస్తావు నువ్వు ఇవాళ. 4కి వచ్చిండు.
9:30 అలా.
9 ఇంకా 15 minutes. We have 15 minutes more. Chalo, let's go out. So basically, Shiva ko Charan pledged that he'll get Shiva back to the room only after 9:30. At 9:30. Stretch చేశాడు. Charan, you were very flexible today. He accepted to all our terms and conditions. We are done with the trip. I mean, here we are
moving from mountains to
lands, plain lands.
We were supposed to stay one more day here in Ooty.
Secrets will not reveal all that.
You wouldn't fine staying one more.
See, basically, we came for this trip to eat. To have a lot of cheats. That's the only thing we are doing. Ronaldo don't feel. You people will not understand the context of Ronaldo, but it's difficult to explain. No one will get it.
Arey Ronaldo, sample kickra. Ronaldo.
So basically, we are 4 people in this ride. You people don't know secret. Me, Shiva, Charan, and Ronaldo. Ronaldo anukuntaru. Cristiano Ronaldo, the original one. He is there. Invisible character.
He's just watching us eating.
He's just watching us eating and looking at his abs. Whenever we're eating something junk, no? Ronaldo is watching us.
East Godavari వైపు వెళ్దాం.
Okay, we are done. I think tomorrow early morning is the plan to leave. 4 o'clock is the plan.
What I'm assuming that
We are thinking we'll do that, but I'm pretty sure that's not gonna happen.
No. Charan is already sleepy.
The thing is, 4 a.m.
ఇప్పుడు
it's gonna be very scenic. Oh, by the way, the auto scene. We booked an auto niche near the chocolate place for 150 rupees. నువ్వైనా చెప్పేసుకోవాలి ఆటోకి అంత కాదు 300 తీసుకో. He thought 150 yes. Jackpot. Come people, 3 of you come అన్నాడు. Then we sat in the auto. We went till that checkpoint.
Yeah, after 10 minutes there is a dialogue. Oh, today 50% discount. He's only asking half the money.
He
saved 50%.
We saved 50. Yesterday we paid 300 rupees. So today Charan was like, oh, we saved 50%. Then we came to a point. Then already he has to take a left. He took a right. Then we asked him to take a left.
I need 200. This is far.
This is not the hotel.
First he stopped at a hotel called Sunset. He thought that is Sinclair Street.
It says Kalchpin and he thought that's the same hotel. Then he said, we have to go more aage. That means 200.
Okay.
We're like, oh, 200 what is he paying? Migilpotundi. Then we went ahead. Then there's thick fog. We were not able to see like 1 meter. And then the roads were super bad. Then we went ahead. Then he realized that this is too bad. Then he dropped us and he said, Romba bad road or something he said. He was literally cursing us for the road and for the fog. Akkada mari U-turn kuda pitchlam oka daggara.
No, he went in that way because the roads were better.
Oh.
Otherwise he wouldn't go that way.
Charan follow the maps.
Hey, this road is good. This is a nice one. This is not a hotel. We need to go in a wrong way. Come on, go back.
Anyways, finally we had to pay him 250. He asked 250, right?
No, he was expecting anything more than 200.
No, I said, sir, Romba bad road. Diesel also.
Diesel only 150 ho gaya, he said. To carry 3 motu fellows.
Shiva was like, let's.
250, he said, I'm happy. When we gave 300, he said, Happy New Year. Anyways, tomorrow plan is to leave at 4 a.m. The main thing is we'll have nice fog, nice views. Actually, we can't see anything.
Yeah.
That's the danger.
That's the whole part of the
adventure.
That is the only adventure that we can do here.
But realistically, I think we'll start at 7 a.m.
7?
7 a.m. engine will start.
We can start engine at 6 o'clock.
You start the engine, warm it up and we'll come by 7. Okay. Okay, will you do OT one more time?
No, I think I'm done.
No? We are done. You?
I might. I like.
Wait, Parle, he wanted to do. Once again. Wanted to do. He wants to stay also now. We both are like, we are done. Because we've seen better, bro. Chalo, anyways, I'll end this vlog. We'll end this vlog here. Hope you have enjoyed this vlog in case you did. Chichi, anta galiskunaru intasepu. Cheppavara? In case you guys like this video or the series till now, do hit the like button, do share, do comment, do subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next vlog, which might be going to Bangalore. Sorry, Bengaluru.